Hello everybody. Today we are gonna draw some dumplings, some miso soup, and some sushi. And they're like looking at the miso soup and like the queen. And my grandma is the guest star. Yeah. So we're gonna start. We're gonna start with these dumplings. So first we gotta draw this. We're gonna draw his face. So we're gonna draw 2 circles like that and color them in. Beautiful. They color them all the way in. I mean, if you don't want to, you don't want to. And then you're gonna draw eyelashes. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You can draw eyelashes. And then you draw like one little line like that, almost like a smile. But then you draw a little leap like that. And then you have your face. Next, we're going to start by drawing the dumpling. We're going to draw a big, like curve right there. Then you're going to draw the same thing, but backwards, the other one. Then you're going to draw like the lines of the dumpling, like that. Almost looks like hair too. And then that's the first dumpling. Next we're going to draw another dumpling. I'm going to draw this eye right there. You can make it however you want. Then we have this eye right there. Beautiful. And then we can draw a little like W like face. And you can make its mouth open too if you want. Like that. And then you're going to do the same like curvy line you did for the other dumpling. And it's like overlapping this dumpling. And it's okay. And then you could next we're gonna draw the miso soup. So we're gonna draw.
Are we gonna do up here?
Yeah, you're gonna do the thing up here. Right there.
Okay.
Next we're gonna draw the miso soup. So we're gonna draw a big curvy line like that, like
Okay.
Then we're gonna draw the opposite, so we're gonna do like that. Kind of looks like a bowl, but it's okay. And then we're gonna connect the bottom. Then we're gonna draw a big curve like that on the top. Then another curve like that.
Oh, okay.
So it looks like that.
Okay.
Next, we're gonna draw like this big upside down U shape, kind of. Perfect.
Okay.
And that's like the inside of the bowl. And then we can draw some squiggles, like almost like little S's or something like that. And then we're gonna draw some tofu. That's a tofu miso soup.
Okay.
And then you could draw some seaweed. There. We gotta give the miso soup a little smiley face. So we're gonna give her like maybe some eye like that, and we can have her like winking maybe.
Oh, I didn't wink.
It's okay. Doesn't matter what you put. And then we have a little,
oh, that's cute.
Little queen. And then we can have, she's like just like a little nice smile, like ta-da. And we could give her like a crown or something like right next to her. We'll do like an M.
A crown next to her? Okay.
Like next to her. And then draw little circles on top of that thing.
Okay.
Perfect. Then we could draw a little down and then like that. That's her little crown. And she's the miso soup queen. And next we're gonna draw the sushi roll. So we're gonna do like 2 straight lines. And then we're gonna connect the bottom with like a squiggle.
Okay.
And we're gonna do a curve, almost like we did for the miso soup.
Okay.
And another curve on the top like we did for the miso soup. Then we're gonna go like that, and we're gonna draw that thing, like the inner part. And we're gonna color it in. And then,
I want to fix it.
okay.
Okay.
Then we can draw another layer like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can draw a little face. I'm gonna draw a little mustache on him.
Oh, it's gonna be guy with a mustache.
Yeah, the best mustache guy. And he's like, wow.
Can I do my 2 dots? I'll do
Mustache guy. Perfect. He's like, wow.
Oh, I did a little different.
Ooh.
Mine looks like a sad guy. Hang on.
Then you can add a little face to him.
Let me get a little.
Yay! Mine's like, woo. So
Yeah.
we have him there. And then we're gonna draw a sushi, like the salmon one. So we're gonna start by making like a squiggly cloud.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Perfect. And then we're gonna do line up.
Line up.
And then we're gonna go around.
Around.
And then a line on the bottom. And we can add some details like bing, bing, bing. So that's the rice, and that's
Bang, bang.
like the rice
bang.
is right here, and
Mhm.
then the sushi part right there. And then we can draw any face you want for it.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. You look so funny. Okay, so now we gotta make the horizon line, of course, because you need it. And we draw like just lines like that. So then it looks like they're on something. They don't want to be floating.
No. Okay.
And we're gonna have them say stuff. So you can make them say whatever, but I'm gonna make this little girl right here. She's gonna say yum. It's like she loves miso soup, and you can like put whatever you want them to say.
Mm.
If you don't want them to say anything, that's fine. And you put a little speech bubble. That. Perfect. And you are you gonna say this? What do you make? Oh, you're making me say hi? Mine's gonna say seaweed, tofu, miso, oh my.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. Then, the little sushi right here is gonna say behold.
See, you know what these things are. I think I saw that.
And
I'm gonna
normally,
make a little steam coming in.
well, that's so cute. Oh, maybe I should do that too. And
I'm hot.
the best.
How about that?
Sure.
No.
And you could put I am the queen.
Oh.
It's okay. The best trick to drawing speech bubbles is drawing a word first, then drawing it. So you're gonna do
Oh, okay.
And this little guy is cracking a joke, and he's gonna say me so hungry.
Me so hungry. Love it.
And he is like, I'm hungry, but like miso, because it's the soup, and like he is so hungry.
This one's not thinking.
And the queen is like, I am the queen. I am the queen. Beautiful. And now we can color it. But first we actually gotta sign it, because every artist writes their name.
Right. I've heard that. You know where I've heard it?
Where?
From me. I told you that.
Beautiful.
Should I write my name?
Yeah. Beautiful. And now we can color it.